Hello class and welcome to CTC101BS section 73. My name is Eric LaCharity and I have the honor and privilege of serving as your instructor this term. First things first, Happy New Year! 2022 is officially here and that means it's a new year with new beginnings. It's the perfect time for you all to be in this class. Over these next 8 weeks, I am so excited for your journey because you're going to be learning so many foundational skills that will aid you throughout your time here at Post until you get your degree, and then furthermore into your professional career. Everything from time management to study skills to growth mindsets to financial literacy. It's all built into this course and it's all here for you. So it's really on all of you to kind of put the effort in and dedicate the time and the energy into each of the units to give yourself the best chance at success. One of the things that we hear from students after this class is over that they wish they dedicated more time. So it's really about just finding those chunks of time to give to the work, so ultimately will benefit you in the end. Please know that I am here as a support for you. If you fall behind at any point, you can contact me by email, phone, text, whatever it may be. I am here for your success. Again, this class is truly amazing. It will help you so much throughout your academic journey and into your professional journey. So it's really just about making the most of it, engaging with your classmates, sharing your stories, sharing your experiences, and really dedicating yourself to the work. I am so excited to work with you, and just please know I am here. So have a great night, and I'll talk to you all very, very soon on Blackboard. Bye.